In today's video, we are going to learn how to make dynamic dashboards like this within minutes using free AI tool. Everybody keeps talking about AI, but almost nobody is using it like this. What if I told you this entire professional business dashboard with live chart, interactive filters, profit analysis, sales insights, currency switching, and Power BI level visuals was built using nothing except an Excel file and Claude AI. No coding team, no expensive developer, no months of work. Just one AI turning raw spreadsheet data into a fully functional dynamic dashboard website. And here's the crazy part. Back then, building dashboards like this used to take developers days or sometimes weeks of coding, also months debugging, designing charts, and connecting data manually. Now you can build something like this in minutes. Yes, in minutes using Claude AI. With the help of Claude AI, it's being really useful nowadays as it's the hot topic on AI niche. It's taking over the whole internet with its crazy abilities to complete the task within minutes. That's how fast AI is changing everything. And the craziest part, most people still think AI is only for writing text. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I used Claude AI to transform simple Excel sales data into a modern, interactive HTML dashboard that looks like something a real data analytic company would charge thousands for. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own AI-powered dashboard system using only prompts, data, and your browser. Let's build the future together. As you guys can see, I have a prompt. So this prompt commands Claude AI to act as a professional data analyst and full stack dashboard developer. And I have this data or Excel file. Let me just show you. Here is the Excel file. You can see there's order ID, order date, customer name, city, region, product category, name, sales representative, units of sold, the price, and total sales of the price and units sold, and payment method, discount, and profit. So all of this will be distributed in the interactive dynamic dashboard. It has almost 1200 rows here, from 1 to 1200 rows, and you can customize this data according to your own need using ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to replace the customer name using the names you have, replace the city using the city names you want, region, product category you can edit the product name, sales representative, also the price, unit sold, everything you can customize all for free according to your own need using ChatGPT. And yes, ChatGPT will give you the full edition or the whole modification at this point or at the end of the data, which is at 1288 numbered row. So do not worry, just command ChatGPT as you want it so you can modify it properly. So this is the data sheet that we are working with to make our interactive dashboard using Claude AI. Go to the PDF. You will see that there's the requirement. It has to build a clean professional UI. So first thing first, you have to guide whatever AI you're using. You have to command it properly, perfectly. Otherwise, it will not work. Most of the people just ask to build a UI dashboard. It does not work like that. You have to provide the whole detail in step by step that what you want clearly so the AI understands you and your requirement and what it's going to build. You can also transform these into a higher version in an amazing way, which would be very awesome. So take time to edit these prompts according to your own need. I have told it to add interactive visualization, add advanced insights, add filters, slicers, etc., etc. Tech requirements, it has to build using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can use whatever you want. Use modern chart libraries, suppose like Chart.js or Reachers. Make it responsive for desktop and both mobile and desktop. Clean layouts with cards, grids, and then data handling, CSS refile, output, provide complete working code, HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript in one file if possible. And currency support, you can edit this section as well according to your region, your monetary unit. Suppose I have used USD, US dollar, and BDT, so it will provide these two currency unit. Users should be able to switch. If I want to switch to USD, it will show USD, the amount in USD. Also, it will show the amount in BDT. So all KPI cards will be automatically based on selected currency. And then extra features I have added: dark light mode toggle, export these PNG or in CSV format, animated KPI counters, smooth chart transitions that I have used in this prompt. So what you need to do, go to Claude AI. So just search Claude. You already know what Claude is and what it can do. There is no need for introduction, just enter in their website. So once you are here, so just take it from here on my doc file, copy the whole prompt from the doc file and go to Claude AI and paste it here. You can see all the steps are clearly provided here. Also, you need to drop the data, this Excel file we had. You need to drop it here in Claude as well. So just insert the file here. Here we have inserted this Excel file along with the prompt we are going to use, and just hit on generate. Wait for a while till code generates our whole HTML dashboard. It may take some few minutes, as I have already mentioned that you can build this in minutes. So it can take up to 4 to 5 minutes. So have patience till then. Just wait till it finishes its work. So here is our result ready. As you can see, it has generated the preview also. Here, if you scroll down, you have the ready-made download option of our sales dashboard HTML. So just download it. Here, the download is complete. Let's open it. And this is our dashboard. This is what it will look like. So there's the dark mode and the white mode, you can see. And there is the CSV report. You can see we can also download it into your computer. Here is the data downloaded. Let's check it out in Excel. First thing first, here is the data. So it's downloaded from our dashboard. All of the data is here. You can see it's not the data that we have used, it's the data we just downloaded from this dashboard. This data was downloaded from here. So you can fix it. I'll just fix it like it's not fixed, as you can see. So just fix it. And now we have our data ready, the report data. Here you can see it's perfectly interactive and dynamic. Just look at these hover effects. So these are the things that coders need weeks or months. If they're professional, they need also, they will be struggling to make this back in the days. But now, as you already saw, I just made it in minutes with just this simple prompt with the help of Claude AI for absolutely free. So here is the USD. Here's the option that I have customized. Here's the BDT. This is in Taka and this is in USD. 18.7 million, and in Taka almost 2.1 billion. So that math is also calculated. This is absolutely awesome. So from USD to BDT, it's already calculated as the currency varies. If you scroll down, you can see these charts, the pie charts, the clothing, furniture, electronics are distributed properly. 30 million, 31 million, and 31 million also. Also, here is the sales, profit, visual. There is profit versus sales analysis. There is discount, impact on profit. You can see it's glowing. The edges are glowing when I hover over these charts. And it also shows these things, this data, this infographics, also profit margin by category, bottom of 5 products by sales, you can see. So all of these are absolutely awesome. And here are the menu, the header menu. You can change the city. Suppose I want to check what's on Dhaka or what's on Rajshahi or what's on Sylhet. Let's see the sales on Sylhet, what results are there. So it has automatically changed. You can see the performance, the charts, the graphs, everything is changed based on the data. The data we had here, not here, here we had this data, we have previously inputted it, and this one, the data we just downloaded using this CSV download option, and then all categories. Suppose I just want to check clothing, so it will only show the sales, the performance of clothing category. You want to see electronics, the electronics will be here. You can see only electronics. And if I want to see the furniture, only furniture. All right. So this is how it's done perfectly. And if you want to see the representatives, suppose I want to check Arif's performance, what he has done. He has generated this total profit, total orders. He got 8, average 1 per month, and average order value 90.7 thousands dollar. And his performances here, that all the things are tracked, whatever the performances he had. Then if I check Sabia's performance, this is Sabia's performance. The furniture is sold on May, 3 furnitures, and on August, 6 furnitures. This is her performance. So overall, if I select all representatives, this is the total thing. From January, how much 19 were sold, and this is the region on South. Sold is 2.6 million. So just like this, you can change, or you can look over finding each categories by city distribution, the sales representative distribution, payments distribution, cash on credit card, UPI. All of these were told here in this single prompt, that what it needs to do, what will include or what it will exclude. So this whole design, it depends on your prompt, how you want it, or how you want, or how dynamic you want your dashboard to be. You can change this also on from the prompt. From the prompt, of course, it has generated this automatically. So you can set the company name or the logo according to your own need, own requirements, Bangladesh Sales Intelligence dashboard. So you can also write this according to your own street will. Also, if you guys want to check how it works on the mobile view, let's download the extension so you can switch into your mobile view using your Chrome browser. So let's go to this new tab and search mobile view extension. Remember guys, do not download this extension because it does not work properly. Let me show you this. Use this one, mobile simulator. We are going to work with mobile simulator, not this one. This one is not working properly. So do not download this one because this mobile view switcher is not working properly. Do not download this. So go to mobile simulator here in this website, this one especially. Notice this one, and this one we're going to download, the that particular one, because this works properly. This is the view we are going to get. So add to Chrome, add extension, and once it's downloaded, just go to a new tab and go to this extension, pin it here, and then go to the settings, because we need to turn on the settings to watch this exact particular HTML URL in the mobile view. If you do not go to this setting, it will not work. So go to manage extension, let's close these tabs, and from here turn on this allow file access, this one. Just turn on this one, hit on to this option, and go back to our dashboard tab and click on this extension that we just downloaded. Click on it. Now it will show the exact dashboard we had created. So this is working absolutely perfectly. This is how amazing Claude AI results are. Let's change a city. Let's say Chattogram. This is also changed. It's working perfectly in a perfect responsive way. I really love how it turned out. That's how you can get a mobile view with the help of this extension. Also, if you don't need it, tap on it and you will be directed to the browser view again. Once you're done, you can remove this extension if you want. Also, if you can keep this extension if you want. So that's how it's made, totally, absolutely dominating, making dashboard. So Claude AI for now does not have any math force in these terms while working generating this kind of dashboard works fully dynamic, interactive. Also, it may change in future, some other AI may take over, but whatever results we are getting is absolutely amazing and it saves tons of time of your valuable time. We have added, if you remember, a PNG from the last part. You can see PNG or CSV. So it has downloaded a PNG. Let's watch the PNG and what it has generated. So this is the sales chart PNG it has generated. You can also use this in your presentation or in your report. So that's how it's done within minutes. This is the light version of this dashboard. I kind of prefer, my own preference is dark version, so whatever you choose, feel free to customize this prompt as unique as much you can. So just ask ChatGPT to modify this prompt and add your features according to your suite will properly. Add some extra categories, extra features, just like I have added extra features according to your own wish, and feel free to experiment and let us know about your result. If you want to download this exact same template, you can find the link on the description that you can download this exact same template, HTML template from my website along with the data that I have inputted, also the prompt. All three files will be will be dropped into my website. So check the link in the description from where you can download all of this for free and experiment on your own. You guys like this tutorial, especially about today's tutorial with the help of Claude AI, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe because 99% of the viewers in my channel, they are not subscribed. They do not like to subscribe. I do not know why personally. So please subscribe. It definitely helps me because I need the monetization on. So anyways, see you in the next tutorial. Turn on the bell icon because I upload 3 to 2 videos per week. So yeah, you can learn definitely something from my tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Howzia.